Hello, it's Phillip Taylor from Richmond Green Chambers speaking. I'm looking at a book by Vernon Dennis called Administration, and this is the book here. It's published by the Law Society in the Insolvency Law series. There's a Flickr review. It's a light book, about 180 pages, some useful forms, and very much in the house style of the Law Society. My wife and I have written a review of this book, and we've given it the title Coping with Insolvency, a guide for everyone involved with a floundering business. And this is what we've said. Rescuing an insolvent company is most commonly brought about by the process of administration, hence the one word, and very apt it is, title of this book. It's the first in the Law Society's Insolvency Law series, and administration discusses in detail the current developments and issues pertaining to the now much reformed administration procedures. Introduced in 1986, the mechanism of administration was designed to complement receivership, not replace it, as the author says. Administration is described as the process by which an insolvent or potentially insolvent business can or might be rescued by reconstruction, refinance and/or sale of the insolvent company's business or assets. Now, the author, Vernon Dennis, who's an expert in insolvency law and corporate recovery and construction, tactfully does not assume prior knowledge of or expertise in administration or the part of the reader in these aspects of the mechanism, if I can call it that. The basics of administration are lucidly explained before its intricate complexities and thorny issues are dealt with, including the effectiveness of administration, its costs and expenses, and the notably vexed question of how creditors and third parties are treated during the administration process. Certainly, of course, creditors, suppliers and customers will be as interested in this book as company directors, their lawyers and others who advise them. We both think it's actually an important book for a much wider readership. In addition to the cases, statutes, statutory instruments and European legislation, the book contains invaluable appendices designed to provide at a glance advice consisting of, for example, flow charts, guides to procedures and summaries of the law, and it's certainly what we consider to be an indispensable addition to the practitioner's law library. The law is applicable as at the beginning of 2010, and readers keen to cope with the constant march of change in this area are referred to the relevant websites, which is a bonus. They will certainly find Vernon's work helps to cope with insolvency. So thank you very much to the Law Society. Thank you. Bye-bye.